How does corporate social responsibility relate to labor rights in globalization? How does corporate social responsibility relate to labor rights in globalization? This question takes us into the heart of how businesses operate in a world that is more connected than ever. Let's break it down together. Corporate social responsibility, often abbreviated as CSR, refers to the actions companies take to improve social and environmental conditions. This can include policies that benefit employees and communities. Labor rights, on the other hand, are the standards that protect workers, ensuring they receive fair wages and work in safe conditions. Globalization is the process where businesses expand their influence internationally, often seeking to cut costs. Now, how do these concepts connect? First, CSR can have a positive impact on labor rights. Companies that adopt CSR practices may implement codes of conduct that align with international labor standards. This means better working conditions and protections for workers. However, there is a flip side. Sometimes, CSR can act as a substitute for strong labor regulations. This can weaken organized labor and collective bargaining, which are essential for protecting workers' rights. Globalization complicates this relationship. As businesses seek to minimize costs, they often outsource production to countries with weaker labor laws. This can lead to the exploitation of workers in developing nations. CSR initiatives can help address these challenges by encouraging companies to adopt ethical practices in their global supply chains. From a sociological perspective, the connection between CSR and labor rights is shaped by power dynamics. Often, CSR efforts are driven by consumer demand and corporate interests rather than a true commitment to improving workers' lives. This can create a gap between what companies say they are doing and the real impact on labor conditions. To effectively protect labor rights in a globalized economy, CSR should be paired with strong legal frameworks. This includes international agreements that set consistent labor standards across various countries and industries. Social movements and civil society organizations also play a vital role. They can monitor CSR practices and advocate for workers' rights, ensuring that companies are held accountable. In summary, corporate social responsibility can both support and challenge labor rights in the context of globalization. While CSR initiatives can lead to better working conditions, they need to be backed by solid legal protections and active social oversight. This way, we can work towards a more equitable global economy that truly benefits workers everywhere.